Hi, I've got a new Bosch trim router here. This is cordless. It's got a little battery here, if you can get it out, it's sensitive. These come in 2, 4 and 6 amp. Get at least a 4 amp because you want plenty of runtime. It's got a little lock thing for the spindle, a little lever like that, which is very good. It's got height adjustment. It's not as powerful as a normal router with a cord. But that's not the point. It's go anywhere. Look at it. It's one-handed. It's light. It's quite powerful. Only 13,000 revs per minute. But look, I'm just doing some small jobs here of routing in a rebate. It's fine. It works really well. I really like it. I think it's a little bit high on the price, but you get a lot of power and you get a lot of bang for your bucks.